Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of sheer. Nothing other than. Unmitigated, used for emphasis. For example, she giggled with sheer delight. The second definition of sheer. Especially of a cliff or wall, perpendicular or nearly so. For example, the sheer ice walls. American pronunciation. Sheer. Sheer. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Sheer. Say. Sheer. Sheer means nothing other than. Sheer. Sheer. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. For sheer value, it's hard to beat the supermarkets. Now, repeat after me. For sheer value, it's hard to beat the supermarkets. The second practice. But the turnaround at times has been based on sheer will. Now, repeat after me. But the turnaround at times has been based on sheer will.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.